Hello my people, my name is Claire. Now welcome to Home Remedy on Top TV. I want to teach you how to make bean stew. Now put in a cooking pan for fire. Pour your palm oil inside a hot cooking pan. When the pan done hot, put your onions inside. Make it hot very well and fry your onions wella for 30 seconds. Add your grinded dry pepper, turn am well and leave am make e fry for 10 minutes for medium heat. Make the gas no high well low, otherwise your bean stew go burn. Put your maggi and salt together. Now come turn am together. Then now come leave am to fry for 3 minutes. By now go notice say the color don change to dark brown. Now that time you go know say our bean stew done ready. Make una enjoy. Serve am with beans. Now there we go stop for Home Remedy on Top TV. My name na Claire. Make una no forget to subscribe to that 20.